Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding Duck Out in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the phrase, duck out. Have you ever heard someone saying, "I need to duck out for a moment"? Well, if you've been wondering what that means, you're in the right place. We're going to explore this phrase, its meaning, its usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, duck out, is an informal way of saying that someone is leaving a place quickly or suddenly, often to avoid something or someone. It's important to note that this phrase is casual and is mostly used in informal settings. You might use it when talking to friends, family, or close colleagues. To better understand the phrase, let's break it down. Duck, in this context, duck does not refer to the bird. Instead, it's a verb that means to move quickly or to lower the head or body suddenly. It gives the sense of moving swiftly out of the way or avoiding something. Out. This is a preposition that adds the idea of moving away from a space or place. When combined, duck out conveys the idea of swiftly exiting or leaving a place. Now, let's go through some examples to see how duck out can be used in sentences. 1. I'm going to duck out of the party early because I have a meeting tomorrow morning. 2. In this sentence, the person is leaving the party early, probably to get a good night's sleep before their meeting. 3. She had to duck out of the office to pick up her kids from school. 4. Here, duck out is used to explain that she left the office quickly to pick up her children. 5. Can you cover for me? I need to duck out for a few minutes. 6. In this case, someone is asking a colleague or friend to cover for them while they leave quickly or suddenly. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about the phrase, duck out. Remember, it's a casual and informal way of saying that someone is leaving a place quickly or suddenly, often to avoid something or someone. We hope this video helps you understand how to use duck out in your daily conversations. Don't forget to practice, and feel free to use this phrase next time you need to make a quick exit. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.